In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to get financial data that you can easily import into Excel, Google Sheets, and PDF. If you're looking to streamline your process and make data handling less of a hassle, you're in the right place. To start, let's head over to your favorite web browser. Once it's open, navigate to Google's homepage. All you need to do is type ChatGPT into the search bar. It's a straightforward step, but this will lead us to the ChatGPT website, which is the tool we'll be using in this exercise. After typing ChatGPT, hit enter, and you should see the ChatGPT website appearing in your search results. Click on the link to open the ChatGPT homepage. This is where the magic really starts. With ChatGPT, you can create dynamic prompts that will help you fetch the financial data you need. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, think about the financial data you're interested in. Perhaps it's stock prices, economic indicators, or even company financials. Type your specific prompt into the chat interface. Be clear and concise about what you're looking for to ensure the response is accurate and relevant. After entering your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. This will send your request to ChatGPT, which will process the information and return a detailed table response, assuming your prompt requested tabular data. Once the information is generated and you're satisfied with it, the next step involves copying the table. Simply select the data by clicking and dragging over it. Then, right-click to copy the selected information. Now that we have our data, let's move on to Excel. Open Excel on your computer, and if needed, sign into your account. If you're using Google Sheets, this step will be similar. You'll want to create a new document, so click on Create a blank workbook. This will give you a fresh space to work with. With your new workbook open, right-click on the first cell where you want to paste your data, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac. This should paste the table data from ChatGPT into your Excel sheet seamlessly. If Excel's not your tool of choice, you can follow a similar process in Google Sheets or save the Excel file as a PDF to share or print. And there you have it. A quick, effective way to leverage ChatGPT for gathering and organizing financial information in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or even saving as PDFs. This can massively cut down the time you spend on data management, allowing you to focus on analysis or other high-priority tasks. I hope this guide is helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy data gathering.